Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can apply the flood scanning effect only to an object in a video on CapCut Mobile. So here you just need to add your clip and then duplicate it and make one of the clip as overlay. So click on overlay and then remove the background of the overlay portion. Click on auto removal or auto remove background. Click on the check icon. Now you can just add the flood scanning effect. So you can find it under the light effect category. This one, flood scanning. Click on the check icon. Apply it to the entire clip. So you can see currently the effect only apply to the background. So what you need to do is click on object and then select overlay. Click on the check icon and this will be the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.